The real pyramids are upside down. Buried beneath the Giza complex are mirror pyramids, not made of stone but of sonic crystal. They vibrate at frequencies that tune Earth's tectonic rhythm. Earthquakes are not random, they are harmonic corrections. When the human field becomes too dissonant, when war, grief, or interference spikes, the buried pyramids emit a course correction tone so deep it rumbles through the mantle. Atlantis did not fall by water. It collapsed under a harmonic feedback loop, an overload that shattered the alignment between surface and sublayer. Giza was meant to prevent that from happening again, not as a beacon, but as a balancer. A spinal weight in Earth's grid, a way to tune collective frequency back toward coherence. These sonic pyramids aren't symbolic, they're alive. They feel the state of the species above them, and when the hum becomes too erratic, they respond, not with punishment, but with precision. A deep tone, a tremor, a soft growl from the roots of the world.